Today's look is sponsored by and also inspired by Candy Crush because this look is so easy. You guys can literally crush this in real life.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
Hey guys, it's Patrick Star. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this makeup was done by toilet paper. Yes, believe it or not, this whole beautiful eyeshadow look was done with toilet paper. It looks so advanced. It looks like paint splatter, graffiti, something on the face. But when I tell you, this look has saved me, especially during Pride Month last year and this year. It is so quick. It is so easy to do because number one, I don't have to do makeup and blending. Number two, I don't have to clean my brushes afterwards. And number three, I get an amazing rainbow look that I can do any time of the year. And it looks like I put so much effort into my makeup. This look was inspired by Brit's Beauty Space on TikTok and Instagram. Shout out to Brittany Gray. And thank you for inspiring me because I have done this so many times. Today's look is sponsored by and also inspired by Candy Crush. I have been so busy with the brand, with my real life, my personal life. Just so much has been happening. And when I have a chance to step away and be on something else other than work on my phone, it is games. See, social media for me is kind of like work. So I can't really go to social media for pleasure anymore. Check out Candy Crush. Thank you, Candy Crush, for inspiring today. It's obviously inspired by all the candy. Yeah, you can make it your own, but above all, grab some toilet paper and let's just throw this makeup on the face. And most importantly, don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. Oh, and don't forget to check all the links down below and also download the game. All right, so I did my brows off camera, you guys. I used the Brow Kiki pencil. If you guys have not tried this pencil, it's a must-have. So many beautiful colors. And it also cleans it up with NC30 full coverage on the bottom and also NC45 on the top. And that is how I prep my lids. I do want to mention though, before you do the toilet paper and the eyeshadow and everything, some people like to go in wet with eyeshadow. For me, I like using the Ultimate Setting Powder by One Size to just pat everything in, well, at least the brow area, so that way it's already set. Once you set, you are just ready to smooth sail with the toilet paper. Okay, now for the fun part, grab your toilet paper from the restroom and grab your palette. Since this is inspired by Pride and also like Candy Crush, this look is so easy. You guys can crush it, get it, crush it. And all you need is just a bunch of colors. So I have this palette by Michaela, it has a bunch of colors that I'd love to try and use. I also have Kim Chi's palette. I also have the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette and also the Norvina palette. And I also have the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. Just find palettes with a lot of color and have fun. You're more than welcome to do this with neutral eyeshadows, but I want to be inspired by Candy Crush and use all the candy in the game. And I have done rainbow like Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, blue, green, violet, all across, but I think I'm just gonna go by the candy and just plop it in random colors. It'll still give rainbow, but in a different order. So just go for it. And then, by the way, I am happy that I get to explain this to you guys. Yes, I'm missing it now. I'm happy that I'm able to explain this to you in full length because it really makes a difference. So you wanna take your toilet paper, take a little piece off, and you want to create a little crumble effect. And this is your brush. You kind of want to make sure, can you guys see this? I don't know if it's too bright. You want to make sure that there are grooves and it's wrinkly. You don't want a flat piece of toilet paper because it won't give that like splatter effect design. So the first candy that I'm going to go for is the green candy. It's a little square. Let me find a green. Oh, and mind you, really quick, I have put my eye base all the way out to here on my eye. So the more base you have for the eyeshadow to stick to with the toilet paper, the better. I'm gonna take this green from the Be Perfect Carnival palette called Why Though, and take my toilet paper. Do you guys see there's this like irregular pattern? And just dig in there. And I like to dig and grab a lot of pigment. And this is gonna be much like a stamp. Do you see? It's irregular, it's really cool. When I tell you this is so easy to do, it's easy. So you're gonna go in, I'm gonna do green on this side. What you wanna do is just stamp. You see, that is so easy. And I like to go with this on the outside. So the edges of the toilet paper give this kind of like Van Gogh effect. And let me tell you, it is so much easier when you do your eyes first so you can take a wipe and clean it up after. Now set this aside, don't throw it away. Same thing, crinkle, hold it in your fingers, and let me find a blue for the blue candy. Okay, so next for the blue, I'm gonna take the Kimchi and Naomi Smalls palette. I'm gonna mix these two, 6 p.m. Sky and Oasis. And you wanna use one tissue per color. So I'm gonna take 6 p.m. Sky. Oh, this is such a beautiful swatch, do you see that? And I'm gonna do this on the outside, on this side. Stamp, stamp. Look how easy and cool this is. But you wanna make sure, you see these little gaps right here? You wanna make sure that you fill in the gaps so it looks like it's like dissipating into the eye. Cool. Save this. So this is how you dig in. You take your toilet paper and you dig in there, get as much pigment, and just be gentle with it so you don't ruin your eyeshadow. How cool. It just looks like you just splattered paint on your eyes. When I tell you I've gotten so many compliments, it's so easy. Oh, let's do yellow. Let's do yellow and orange. Ooh. So right here, I'm gonna take the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette. I don't know if they still have this available, but I'm gonna take this yellow, just any yellow. This one is called Keen. Ooh, just like this. Ay! I stabbed at the wrong one. See, but you don't gotta clean your brushes. You just throw these little toilet papers away. Okay, so I stamped that. Make sure you're pushing this into the lid so it really sticks. It's giving Brazil. Como vai? Tudo bem. Tudo bem. Oi, gente. Giving Brazil. Imagine if you did this with your country's colors. It would be giving. Like Puerto Rico would be red, white, and blue. Well, that's American too. But you know what I'm saying. You can add like the little stripes or the stars. Look at this palette by Norvina. What is this called? This is the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 6. It's just volumes. This orange I am going to use, this is called D3. It's a little bit shimmery, but hey, this look is already colorful. So I'm gonna take D3. Wow. And I like to kind of stamp a little bit close to the brow and even kind of on top so you look like you have this like paint effect. And I'm just gonna point out, it's my first time ever doing this without like doing the Order of the Rainbow, so it's giving different. So next, the Jelly Bean from Candy Crush. I'm gonna take this red right here called Inferno. Dig it right in. Would purple go better here or red here? I think purple should go here and red here. Or red here and purple here. Red is always next to orange. I'm gonna do red here. Oh, hold on. What flag is this? What flag is this? Okay, so for the last color, I'm gonna go ahead and take Michaela's palette and take part 2 with the toilet paper to match the little grape candy and put that right by the orange. Wow. Wow. Cool. Do you guys see how easy this is? Okay, now that we're done, take any of your old tissues and start to blend. Like, I want more yellow, so I'm gonna put more yellow on top of the red. I feel like the middle color always gets lost. I'm gonna take a little bit more orange and put that, blend it with the purple. Guys, tell me this is not so easy. I am happy with this, you guys. Like, it's giving art, it's giving avant, it's giving so easy that anyone and everyone can do that. I'm sure y'all got toilet paper and you got some eyeshadow and you got some imagination. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a wipe and wipe it. Can I just say my life has been so busy. The last thing I have time for is to like blend and do creative makeup and cut creases. But this makeup technique, guys, is so easy to do. It just gives what it's supposed to give. And with that, you have more time to enjoy your day wearing the actual makeup. You know, it could take hours for you to do like some creative makeup and then you have minimal time to actually enjoy it at an event. But look how easy this is to do. Hold on, is this Kenya? I think this is Kenya. Oh, okay. It is giving Mali, Senegal, Lithuania, Benin, Togo, Ghana, Congo, Bolivia, Ethiopia. There's a lot of countries that have a green, yellow, and red flag. Pan-African colors of red, yellow, and green. Very cool. Cameroon. spoon. Okay, this is a very important step. So there is a lot of pigment, a lot of shadow. It can fall actually on top of your lashes, and I call that dusty lashes. You don't want lashes to look dusty with eyeshadow. So you're gonna take the Until Dawn waterproof setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the eyeshadow so it sets. When I tell you there is no fallout with this spray, it stays on all freaking day. I did it with my eyes closed so it has time to kind of like set in the pigment. If you don't have this one size point made eyeliner, you're missing out. How gorgeous is this eye? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup. I'm gonna beat my face and turn up the base, and I'll be right back for the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look inspired by Candy Crush and also Brit's Beauty Space on TikTok and Instagram. When I tell you guys, try this at home. It is summer. Get out, get loud. Let's have a beautiful, colorful time for the rest of the year. And as you can see, I threw on a wig, a bathing suit, and just full face glamour. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I would love to know. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.